What's up, gig workers? Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is making some good money. If you're not a gig worker, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and DoorDash. And it's gonna be 8 hours but a split shift. My first shift gonna be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and my second shift gonna be from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gigs apps. And stick around to the end because I'll do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. The time is 9:59. Oh, the time start now. We punch in. Let's go make some money. It's a Friday, so hopefully it's gonna be a good day. Right? Big money, big money, big money, big money. So I have a full tank of gas there, and I'm gonna keep the track of the kilometers. I set it at 0 there. So the zone that I'm working here today, I'm close to home, and it's not one of the busiest zone in the city, but Uber Eats is pretty popular here, and then second, DoorDash. If you want to get lots of order with DoorDash, you have to go to the central, which is 15 minutes drive from my present here. Uber Eats is not busy there, but you have to worry about parking, high rise, construction, bad roads, bad area, parking tickets, traffic, all those stressful stuff. So I prefer to work away from all those stressed. I might make a little bit less compared to if I go to the central, but you might end up getting a parking ticket and you have to go to crappy roads and high rise. So if it worth a few bucks for you guys who want to do that, you could go to the central and work there. But I prefer to stay here in this zone, so less stressful for me. Make sense? So this is Uber, $9.09, 10 kilometers. I'll accept it. So I dropped that order off, $9.09, and the time is 10:58, 1 hour. It's a slow start, so hopefully it picks up lunch hours. This is DoorDash, $11, 2.4 kilometers. Nice one, thank you. That's a lovely one. I put enjoy and stay safe and thank you for everything. Base pay $6, peak pay $1, customer tip $4. So this is Uber, $7.60, 6 kilometers.
Head to your pickup at Tim Hortons 3649 Portage Avenue. In 1 kilometer, make a right turn on Portage Avenue.
So annoying, huh? $7.76, $6.21, 5.1 kilometers, and this is Uber. I'm at $24 with Uber Eats and $11 with DoorDash. Just over 2 hours and 16 minutes. Okay, this is DoorDash, $12, 4.3 kilometers. Lovely! Lovely! Very nice, very nice. Customer is 7 minutes away, 4 kilometers. Thumbs up. Hand to customer. Good, let's go do that. I'll make sure I put my mask on. A $6 base pay, $1 peak pay, and $5 customer tip. So this order is DoorDash, $9, 2.8 kilometers. Thank you very much, DoorDash. You're being a good boy today. You're being an excellent boy today. No shitty order, a long drive. So I pick up that food from Underdogs. Customer is 2 minutes away, and Underdog was really fast today. Like, food is ready. Here's your food, man. Take it and go. Base pay $6, peak pay $1, customer tip $3. DoorDash $11, 5.3 kilometers. Thank you very much. So I drop off that Popeyes order. I'm at $43 with DoorDash and $30 with Uber Eats. This is Uber 828, 7.4 kilometers. I'll accept that one. The staff in the restaurant, she had to call her boss to make sure that it's paid online. Like, it's been paying online for a long time now. Nobody do cash anymore. The time is 2:05. My shift already ended with DoorDash, so I'm gonna end mine with Uber Eats. I'm gonna go home, grab something to eat, have a nap, and we're gonna start back from 4 to 8. So stay tuned. Hello guys, so welcome back, and this is gonna be the evening shift. Start from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. I had a really good lunch hours. $40 with Uber Eats and $43 with DoorDash, and hopefully we could continue with that this evening or even better. So stay with me and come along for the rest of the ride. So the time is 3:58. So it's Uber, $9.78, 9 kilometers. Accept that. It's 2 orders from Popeyes. Double the tips. Hopefully, if they're cheap people tip. First customer is 3 minutes away, 1.7 kilometers. So let's head to that customer first. So second customer is 13 minutes away, 7.9 kilometers. Those 2 order pay $10. So this is DoorDash, 7.3 kilometers, $14. I'll accept that. That's a nice one. That's a beautiful order. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It says here, please wait outside in front of the door until the order is ready and behind the customer upon arrival. Wait outside. You don't go inside. Okay, let's see how far this customer lived. 10 minutes away.
Head north on Vimy Road, then turn right.
That's not bad. That's pretty good. 10 minutes. That's awesome. Awesome. So I arrived at customer location here and they said hand to me. So if I don't want to hand to you, does the driver have a choice? Or the driver don't have a choice? Only the customer could choose and pick whatever they want to do. Hand to me, leave it in front of the door. Suppose I don't want to touch you or even get close to you. Base pay $6, customer tip $8. So this order is $5.20, 1.3 kilometers, and it's Uber Eats accepted. This is Uber Eats again, $6.56, 3.7 kilometers. 7-Eleven, I'll accept that. But I still have to go drop off the one from Popeyes. I'm like 0.5 kilometers away. I don't like when Uber send you an order and you didn't drop off the first one yet. It's like, so I put their food on the table outside there, and now I'm gonna go 7-Eleven to pick up this another order. It's 6 minutes away, 2.8 kilometers. So I pick up that order from 7-Eleven. It's 2 Slurpee. I guess I'm gonna have 0 tip. No, actually there's a guy tipped me for 1 Slurpee. He tipped me $5. What? He sent me another order. This order is $7.95. I'll accept it. Let's go drop off the Slurpee first. Uber. I guess Uber don't want me to switch over to DoorDash. Just keep sending me order. I put it on the chair. They asked me to put it on the chair there. I dropped that off. Drop off the Slurpee.
Head to your pickup at Daily Grind Coffee.
Now I have to go to Daily Grind Coffee. Well, you heard it on the phone anyway. Oh, it's a busy night. Holy smoke. And 2 more hours to go. Now it's 6:09. This is DoorDash. $11, 3.2 kilometers. I'll accept it. That's a very, very beautiful order. Double thumbs up for you, DoorDash. I didn't get a chance to take a breather. I didn't have a chance to go to the washroom. I give that a smiley face. That's a good order all around. Base pay is $6, customer tip $5. Right now I'm at 79 with Uber, 25 with DoorDash, plus 43 in the lunch hours. So this is Uber Eats, $8.03, 4.4 kilometers, and from Popeyes. I'll accept that. So I pick up that order from Popeyes. Customer is 6 minutes away, 4.4 kilometers. So this is Uber Eats, $12.34, 9.4 kilometers. I'll accept that one. Wow, crazy. So the time is 7:08. I'm just gonna stop filming, but I'll still work until 8 o'clock, and I'll give you guys an update how my shift end. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you came this far, hit the subscribe button down below and stay tuned for the summary. So I'm just gonna fill up my gas now. Let's see how much gas did I use. $11.77. I drove for 129 kilometers. Hey guys, so welcome back, and this is a summary. I'll start with DoorDash first. I had 7 delivery and I made $76 with DoorDash. The active time was 2 hours and 12 minutes and dash time was 8 hours and 6 minutes. In the lunch hours I made $43. And in the evening shift I made $33. And with Uber Eats I had 10 deliveries. I'm just gonna go through the one that have the most tip. This one was $11.21. Customer tip $5. And this one $16.24. Customer tip $6.45. This was a double order from Popeyes. And this one was $5.29. Customer tip. So the total with Uber Eats is $114.81. Then DoorDash was $76. Uber Eats was $114.81, equal $190.81, minus $11.77 for gas. Give you the total of $179.04 divided by 8 hours, equal $22.38 per hour. That's pretty awesome. Nice wage. So multi-apping does pay off, and it's a Friday that it helps a lot too, which is a busy day. If you depend on one app, rarely you're gonna be consistent around $18 to $20 an hour. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like this video, can you hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, and peace out.